What is anomie? Broadly construed, anomie is a social condition in which there is a disintegration or disappearance of the norms and values that were previously common to the society. The concept, thought of as normlessness, was developed by the founding sociologist, Emile Durkheim. He discovered, through research, that anomie occurs during and follows periods of drastic and rapid changes to the social, economic, or political structures of society. According to Durkheim, it is a transition phase wherein the values and norms common during one period are no longer valid, but new ones have not yet evolved to take their place. It is important to note that a feeling of disconnection is associated with anomie. In fact, people who lived during periods of anomie typically feel disconnected from their society because they no longer see the norms and values that they hold dear reflected in society itself. This leads to the feeling that one does not belong and is not meaningfully connected to others. For some, this may mean that the role they play, or played, and their identity is no longer valued by society. Because of this, anomie can foster the feeling that one lacks purpose, engender hopelessness, and encourage deviance and crime. Though the concept of anomie is most closely associated with Durkheim's study of suicide, in his 1893 book titled The Division of Labor in Society, Durkheim wrote about an anomic division of labor, a phrase he used to describe a disordered division of labor, in which some groups no longer fit in, though they did in the past. Durkheim saw that this occurred as European societies industrialized, and the nature of work changed along with the development of a more complex division of labor. Durkheim then framed this as a clash between the mechanical solidarity of homogeneous, traditional societies, and the organic solidarity that keeps more complex societies together. According to Durkheim, anomie could not occur in the context of organic solidarity because this heterogeneous form of solidarity allows for the division of labor to evolve as needed, such that none are left out and all play a meaningful role.